Hey everyone, it's Melissa of Butterfly Planner, and I just wanted to come and show you how I am using my daily planner. I kind of showed a sneak peek and like a really rough version of how I use it and how it's been helping me be more productive in my last studio vlog. But I wanted to like do it step by step and have you actually see me putting it together beforehand. It's Saturday, and I'm going to plan out Monday for you. And it's fluid. Sometimes things don't get done and I have to adjust things on the day of, but this is like my plan that I'm hoping for, because I'm hoping to be able to take most of tomorrow off. So I want to first kind of just show you some finished ones where it worked out really well. So like Thursday worked out super well for me. So what I do is I pick top 3 items of today, and then I break them down. So while finding clip art is not that hard and doesn't sound like it's time consuming, I made sure to tell myself which kind of clip art I wanted to specifically find, and then I wanted to work on new releases. So, but what that meant was I needed to make sure things were posted, that Facebook was posted, Instagram was posted, that I shared it on stories. So while just being like, make sure new releases are posted is nice, this is actually probably about 30 to 40 minutes of work. Then I needed to work on the studio vlog. And this was all before noon. I needed to get it done, so while it doesn't sound like a lot of work, it was. It took me a couple of hours. Same with, what was it? Monday was also, so again, we had new releases, but I needed to put that, I needed to finish the pictures, listings, Instagram pics, and get this stuff to my PR team. Then I wanted to work on some promotional items, needing some things like that, and then my email list. So I've also changed up how I'm using each place, which is my today's schedule. I'm not using, it's never been something that I actually really use. So I put in things like you saw last Thursday, I was spending the afternoon with my sister. Friday was pizza day. So kind of like fun stuff, but also good reminders, like Wednesday was, I had a Planner Boss Academy call. And then instead of social media, because I'm using an online platform to really help schedule that kind of stuff. If you want to see a video on that, let me know in the comments below. But I'm changing this to like my chore list, whereas before I had been splitting this list up so that I wasn't putting too much stuff in it and then putting my chores down below, but I've made that. I'm not really using the notes section. It's kind of a wasted space, but I am still putting in my daily verse because that makes me feel better. So let's get into filling out for Monday, and so you can see the actual process of how it's done. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my my correction tape, and this correction tape was from Daiso. It's super cute. I actually had it in my advent calendar that I made, my sticker planner one, a couple years ago, and I just love them. And then I'm going to take these stickers from my shop. They say don't forget, and then chores, and I'm going to put them in the appropriate sections. So then I just pick out 2 colors. I'm going to go with a neutral color. I had been doing like a fall color, so lots of orange and stuff, but I'm feeling pink. Pink's my favorite color, along with teal, so we're going to go pink. So first thing I'm going to do is, I know I need to do laundry. I always do laundry on Mondays, so that's going to go there. I cannot put in my daily verse until Monday because I use the Bible app, the YouVersion one, and so it won't be released until that day, and that's when I put it in. So let's think about what I have to do. The only thing that I will change, like on my to-do list, that will be an everyday thing because I don't get orders every day, is orders. I did get one over the weekend, so I'm going to process it on Monday and have it go out Monday. So that's the only one that won't be like a top 3 thing because it's one order and it really won't take me that long. Anyways, so I'm going to put the order down. And then that'll be like post office. So I will break it down, post office. Just like that. But now let's do our top 3 because while that's printing and cutting, I can get so much work done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit videos. So I have like this one to edit and a bunch of other ones. I've been batch filming. So I'm going to put videos as one. Then I need to make sure my Instagram is ready for the week. So Instagram posts. And I'm just gonna put Instagram. And then something else. Oh, I need to design some more. Okay. So then what I will do is I take it and I will go bring each one over. So videos. I need to edit. Now here's the thing. Should I put each video? This is still kind of new to me. I could put each video and then, no, I'm not going to. I'm going to say videos. I'm going to say edit. Then I need to do the thumbnails. Then I need to schedule upload them. Okay, sorry about that. Oh, here's a Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Nobody wants to see your booty hole. My camera, or aka my phone, ran out of room. You're also going to see here my neighbor. He is using his chainsaw. It's across the street, and I'm just hoping it's not like too loud. So like I was saying, I need to edit the videos, then I have the thumbnails, then I need to schedule upload each one of them and do all the stuff that goes with that. Then I need to schedule the posts for them. So, Daisy. She's trying to get into a box in the closet, and she's just looking at me like, what? What? And I think she's gonna come back up here, aren't you? Yep, there she is. So yes, and then schedule the posts for each one. That way they're already done. Like I can already schedule the Instagram ones and then also on Facebook in my Facebook group. Okay, so then Instagram. Photos, I need to take and edit them and then schedule the posts. Again, super simple. And then design, I need to finish the New Year's Eve kit that I've been working on. Finish New Year's Eve kit. So there you have it. So instead of putting like a bunch of random things not organized, and then having your priorities in a different, have nothing to do with this, I found for me that if I put top 3 and then break them down, that I feel a lot more accomplished. Now, if I get all of these done, I can go and add more to it if I have time in the day or I feel like it. I could design something else or draw or whatever. But then it also makes it so that I can balance, like, I know I can be doing like laundry in between certain things. That's like the nice thing about working from home. There'll be other things that I need to do. Oh, I need to go for my daily walk. Things of that sort, just being on Instagram, all that kind of stuff. And I can make sure that it's done and ready to go. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, please go ahead and ask in the comments down below, and I will do my best to answer them. This is just how I do it and how I find it works for me. If you try it, let me know. Tag me on Instagram at the butterfly planner. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.